This is our Hardinge speed lathe, model SL5C-2325. It's equipped with a factory installed Hardinge 5C air collet closer. It has a Hardinge quick acting tool slide. It's presently wired 220 volt 3-phase with a factory base. Not a lot to show you, but we'll show you the machine coming on and off, showing you the brake working, and then showing you the collet closer actuating. Bringing the machine on, brake stopping it, bringing it on, brake stop it. If you look closely here, you'll see collet being pulled in, collet being released, pulled in, released. This is our Hardinge speed lathe. Thank you for watching our video.